camera is not focusing on the right spot. But I need to spot focus a lot more lately. Just doesn't pick up cars. Doesn't pick up cars like faces. Just go car by car, going through all of these. Just out with the boys, cruising around, so get some good flicks. Not the most ideal lighting situation, but make it work. Fix and post type situation. See if I can get this angle. Spot focus. Let's see if it goes spot. Polished wheels go crazy. That looks really good. I like that a lot. Rocking the mist filter. Whoa. Your rig got bigger. What? Who owns this car? This car's trash. They're always in the way, bro. We're about to get kicked out of this spot.
Hopefully we don't make the car go through.
Kind of blocking the entrance to the parking garage. Oh, we're cooked. Hard to get this GoPro at the right angle. Let's look at these real quick. These look good. Push and set in. Let's get the top angle. That's probably can't. You guys probably can't see it, but the top angle of the car. I'll probably want you to move it. I'll have Adam scoot down in a second. Over the wing of this car on the red car. Creative shot. Get something a little more interesting. Get one of these. Look around to this car. No invite is crazy. Your car is way too dark of a color. I kicked him out, bro. Really pushing signs in this car. See if how these turn out. Definitely need to use some denoise in this. Gotta get some denoise in there. The new Lightroom denoise goes crazy though. This purple just doesn't show up on camera. How it should.
Is this Mary Light from Up?
It is. It is from Up. I can barely get this. No, it definitely is though. Bro probably talked to the security guards like, kick those 2 cars over there out, bro. They're blocking people. Let's see. It's gonna be hard to get this purple showing on this car in super dark lighting. Alright, it's a little bit better. It's probably really dark before. Oh god, this way, this car backs up. This shot. I know. I'm out of their way. Alright, I can finally get this shot. Let's see. Go over. Alright. I'm not gonna get crazy amounts of shots at this spot. Oh. Hey Frank, turn on your lights.
Are you trying to take pictures for, You want to turn the lights?
Yeah.
I've got nothing for checking. You guys take some pictures here. Cool with that. Okay.
Alright.
Do you know what might be kind of cool? I don't know if we could like how well it works. If we like hooked it up like right there. Can you see my car?
Barely. Well, with my eyes, I can barely see it.
Oh, Connor got that clip, bro. That shit went viral. Which one? Oh, dude.
She might get this angle over here. Get a shot right here. Thanks. Rear end of the car fire over there. We barely get any. Gives like no dead space. That's it. Alright. Just go with these shots. Make sure all these shots are good. Right there.
Here?
Yeah. This angle. W shot.
They're just supposed to leave or what? Except the rear white one. It doesn't fit for some reason. How many times was crazy?
Really? He feels FOMO. Get this thing. Oh.
Oh yeah, I have they're called like demonized. I can change the colors and make them do a bunch of stuff.
You got them too?
Yeah.